All right, it is August 27th, Friday. The market is closed. Dow was up 242, Nasdaq 183, S&P plus 39, and change. Crypto 49,000. Let's see here, and crude oil 68.67. That might rise. You have a hurricane heading towards Louisiana. I believe it's going to be a 3 or higher. The way I'm looking at the forecast, VIX is at 19, so yeah, the market continues to rise, which gets scary. Remember, I said you get higher and higher like this, no pullbacks. So it's going to be crazy when it does pull back. All right, so bringing up this stock, Peloton. It was in the news today, and my little thumbnail will be this bike is broken. Why this will continue down, Peloton. Yeah, this stock is, I believe, going down hard. So 31.5 billion market cap, 213 million income, sales 3.96 billion, 81% institutional ownership, 263 million float. It was upgraded August 27th, BOFA Securities, neutral to buy, 135 to 138. I don't know where they see that. We're at 104 now, so that doesn't make sense. But Peloton discloses government subpoenas, why some analysts see a buying opportunity. Earnings report is the latest blow in a rocky year. They cut bike costs. I was watching CNBC from $3,000 to $1,495. Now you do that because you want more subscribers. Like to say it's $100 for whatever service you have. Oh, we'll drop it to 50. You know, a lot of people are going to buy it at 50. When something's very high, think about anything that's expensive. Like a Rolex, $10,000. Not many people can afford $10,000 Rolex. So, you know, just technically. So let's look at it further. Yeah, that's I'm a big technical guy. Technically, you can see the charts where they're going, and people are saying, "Oh, it's going to go here." You can see. You just got to look at, you know, starting with the yearly, monthly. You don't have to get a yearly, but yearly, you know, it's 3 big candles. Quarterly, you know, had the big run up, 3 candles. Now we're coming down. See this? The high is getting lower. That doesn't show much because you got to have years of data. Here's the monthly. Now look at the monthly here. You had a big run up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles in a row, shooting star candle. Then we're down, bounce down. So the highs are getting lower and the lows are getting lower. Now on this chart, you see right here, this 13 EMA coming into play. That has to hold this 104 right here. If not, you're going to 100 and then probably lower, maybe this 80. We'll see on that. Stochastics are just trying to develop. See up here, they're all high. They're going down. And then a little bounce here going down. So the trend is down right now. Now the weekly is a little better. The weekly from March, last March, look at this. This is $30 stock, went up to 171.09. So look at this run up. Big run up, a pullback, yeah, bounce up here. So, I mean, after the bounce right here, big run up. So, you know, we look like we hit its peak now. After that, a chop, went down, big 3 bars, tried to bounce, didn't exactly work, went down again, you know, did bounce, but look at this 120 level. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 10 candles, couldn't break it. It's not good. And then, you know, Stochastics made a nice run up to here. Now we're coming back. Look at this. So let's try to connect these right here. All right, excuse me. Feeling under the weather. All right, so you can see here, look at this. See the bottom, another bottom, top. So you have a clear trend down. So this is now on a downtrend. Now, people might say this looks like almost like a flag, a big flag, like we're going to break out of it. It's possible. But first, I think we're going down. So, yeah, 104 right here. Now, what's the next step? 100. See Stochastics? You have red over white. You're crossing down really hard right now. And I think we're probably going to get, once you're under 50, probably under 20. So, yeah, my short-term goal in this is, I think, is target, you know, we'll see 100. think we break that. I think we're going to 90, 80. I think we test that at least. So watch for this, maybe a double bottom, then a bounce. I'm looking for 90, 80 to 90 on Peloton. And yeah, this is the weekly. Look at this. You're going straight down. You're not going to bounce right away. And I think you're digging deeper. And with this trend going back and forth, you know, you could get even lower if this really falls apart. But the trend is down until it's not. So that's not a good sign. And let me just see anything else here. Just reading any other information. Market is totally unprepared. Blah blah blah. I don't see nothing on this. I just saw the bikes that I was $14.95. We had some injuries in the treadmills. Remember the treadmills fell over. Peloton lowers price of bike. So yeah, I just believe we're in a downtrend. You can see this now. There's a lot of bad news. Now, coronavirus, people are more out and about now. They don't care about COVID. Maybe some do. But, yeah, when this was the lockdown, that's why this went up. Everyone's buying bikes. So that's a big factor, too. Now we're going down. People are out more. So, yeah, I'm looking for 80 and 90. Now, if we do break up, this is 120. This has to break this 120. It's been like, what did I say, 8 times? So we'll watch on that. Excuse me. So, 120 would be the immediate target. Got to break that. If you break that, you might get back up here, but I don't think so. I think we're going down, and it's going to be ugly. Still downtrend in this. So we'll see what happens here. All right, so that's it. Quick video on Peloton. I think it's going down. I think look for 80 to 90 target. If we do break up, look for 110 to 120. And it's just showing the weekly. This is the weekly. You're going down. You're not going to cross up that fast. Once you're below 50, you go continue down. That's the chances, the stats. So we will see in this. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kingman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button, leave comments. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Kingman Alerts. Stock Twits, Mike Kingman Alerts. TikTok, Mike Kingman Trades. That's it. Peace.